Hello Dnation and welcome back to the Hot Wheels Unbox and Review series. In today's episode we are going to be unboxing a set of 5 1/64th scale Hot Wheels all black theme cars which are manufactured by Hot Wheels. And these are 5 premium diecast cars that piqued my interest and I grouped them together for this episode. So stay tuned with me on this one and let's get this started. Well, let's begin by taking a look at the packaging. These Hot Wheels diecast cars come in a signature Hot Wheels card blister packaging with all the product branding and information. So let's go ahead and take a look at the packaging before we set these beauties free. And with that out of the way, and as we get these open, please be careful while using sharp objects and keep in mind to keep these diecast collectibles away from children below the age of 5 as the tiny parts can be hazardous. So keeping this in mind, let's get these opened. Well, at first glance these diecast cars look quite premium and have a good build quality to them and also have quite a bit of detailing to them as well. And these models are manufactured mostly of diecast and a few components made of ABS plastic which make them premium looking. These models have a beautiful build quality and they measure in at 2.5 inches in length, 1 inch in height, 1 inch in width and weigh in at about 90 grams on average depending on the model. These models also come with spot-on paint apps according to their amazing color scheme and branding details, and they also have free-rolling wheels and a lot more which make them functional and a premium collectible. So let's quickly run through the model names of these premium Hot Wheel cars. And let's begin with the 85 Honda City Turbo 2 which is from the Nightburners collection. While I love this hatchback especially with its amazing and one-off graphics, and what stands out is the sporty look and the amazing themed decals and the matching wheels on this one. Overall, a stunner. Next up, we have the 1970 Ford Escort RS 1600 which is from the Hot Wheels Race Day collection. And as you can see, this is a classic black beauty with some stunning graphics and decals. An absolute stunner and overall an awesome diecast replica. And what we're looking at now is the custom 1956 Ford truck which is from the Rod Squad collection. And this is a vintage custom truck that stands out with its custom matte black paint job and decals, and I'm super stoked that I got this replica for my collection. Overall an amazing classic diecast replica. Next up is the 1932 Ford which is also from the Rod Squad collection, and off the bat I love the black paint job and the two-tone gold pinstripe graphics on this one which makes this classic hot rod stand out from the rest. A real elegant, amazing and retro styled hot rod. And finally we have the Volkswagenkaferracer which is from the Volkswagen collection. Well, this is a limited edition and I'm glad I got this variant, and I really love the bodywork and the matte black paint and the decals on this one. Overall a banger. Well, as I mentioned earlier, I'm a big fan of Hot Wheels cars, and I decided to go with this theme for this Hot Wheels episode. And this is just one of the 12 episodes in this Hot Wheels series, so stay tuned and check out some amazing, unique and premium diecast cars by Hot Wheels. And so with that being said, let's take a closer look and check out the bodywork and the functionality of these amazing diecast replicas, and kindly find further features and specifications regarding these diecast beauties in the description below. Well, everything seems to be spot on and up to my expectations with all these Hot Wheels diecast models. And so with that being said, let's place these diecast cars on the Dnation turntable and take a look at these beauties in a 360-degree view. And here are a few fun facts. Hot Wheels is a brand of diecast toys which was introduced by American toy maker Mattel in 1968. It was a primary competitor of Matchbox until 1997 when Mattel bought Tyco Toys, then owner of Matchbox. Many automobile manufacturers have since licensed Hot Wheels to make scale models of their cars, allowing the use of original design blueprints and detailing. Although Hot Wheels were originally intended for children and young adults, they have now become popular with the adult collectors as well, for whom limited edition models are now made available. And every now and then Hot Wheels comes out with a series of premium motorcycle models as well. And for its 40th anniversary in 2008, Hot Wheels celebrated the making of its 4 billionth car with the production of a diamond-studded model worth $140,000. It had 2,700 diamond chips, a total of almost 23 carats, and was cast in white gold with rubies serving as taillights. And for further information on Hot Wheels, kindly check the link in the description below. And if you want to get yourself or your loved ones any one of these Hot Wheels cars that are featured in today's video, I dropped the best buy links in the description below. So go check it out and get yourself one if you're interested. And also please do let me know in the comments below as to which one of these Hot Wheels cars are your favorite. And kindly continue to support Dnation by liking and sharing our videos, and please do check out the rest of the Hot Wheels episodes in the playlist below. And this brings us to the end of this amazing unbox and review episode, and I hope you enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed making it for you. And if you guys enjoyed this video, give it a massive thumbs up and share it, and don't forget to smash that subscribe button if this is your first time here. And also don't forget to click that bell icon so you don't miss out on any of our upcoming episodes. And if you care to share your views and thoughts on this episode, please do drop your comments below, and stay tuned for a lot more exciting episodes on Hot Wheels diecast cars coming up. Well, thank you for watching. Take care, and I'll see you on the next one.